Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services.
Problem is that in each of the following examples find the coordinate of the point A which divide the segment PQ in the ratio A is to B, means PQ is given. This is your line segment, PQ is given. PQ. Then P of coordinate minus 3, 7 and Q of coordinate 1, minus 4. मैंने आपको जो एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है, सपोज दिस इज योर A coordinate x1 y1, B coordinate x2 y2. Then what is the value of this ms2? Yeah, then we write mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus, yeah, that is your x coordinate. Next is that y coordinate, my2 plus my1 divided by m plus, yeah, this m and n that divide the line segment, that is in the ratio, यहाँ पे आपका a is to b आएगा. Okay, then first we write this x1 y1 x2 y2, means p of coordinate minus 3, 7, that is your x1 y1. Q of coordinate 1, minus 4, that is your x2 y2, and a is to b equals to, we write 2 is to 1. Therefore by using सेक्शन फार्मूला, यहाँ पे सेक्शन फार्मूला अभी आपका आएगा mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. In that case which divide into ms to n, and in this case which divide into a is to b, means we write this ax2 plus bx1 divided by a plus b. Same thing is here, a b instead of this here. Yeah, what is the value of a? 2, x2 1, b 1, this, and x1 7 divided by a plus b, means we write 2 plus 1, that is equals to 2 into 2, 2 into 1 2, 1 into 7 7, divided by, this is your 2. Then 2 plus 7 we get 9 by 2, that is your, we write this x2, this first coordinate is your 1, we write this 1 plus b का value 1, then what is the value of x1? Sorry, this is your minus 3. Then 2 into 1 2, 1 into minus 3 minus 3, then we get 2 minus 3, that is your minus 1 by 2. First coordinate is your minus 1 by 2. Then next y my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, means we write ay2 plus ay1 divided by a plus b. Y equals to, what is the value of a? 2. y2 minus 4. Then by1, what is the value of b? 1, y1 7 divided by, we write A plus B means 2 plus 1. Y equals to 2 into this minus 8. Then we get 7 divided by 2. Y equals to that minus 1 by 2. Then this in each of the following example find the coordinate of A which you divide. This means we have a coordinate we take. This is your x comma y. We have a coordinate we take minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. That is your first problem. इसमें का first problem था आपको क्या यहाँ पे मेंशन किया था in each of the following examples find the coordinate of the point A which divide the line segment PQ internally the ratio A is to B. Then start next problem. अभी PQ वैल्यू चेंज की है Q की वैल्यू चेंज की है दूसरा कुछ भी नहीं. नेक्स्ट Next is that P of coordinate minus 2 comma minus 5 and Q of coordinate 4 comma 3 and next is that A is to B 3 is to 4 A is to B 3 is to 4 A is to B 3 is to 4 then P of coordinate minus 2 comma minus 5. This is your x1 y1. Q of coordinate 4 comma 3. This is your x2 y2. And A is to B. We write 3 is to 4. इसके पहले मैंने आपको बताया था फार्मूला. Which formula? X equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Y equals to my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. Okay. Then same procedure is here by using section formula. Then section formula x equals to we write m a x2 plus b y1 divided by a plus b. X equals to a. What is the value of a? 3 into x2 4. What is the value of b? 4 x1 minus 2 divided by a plus b means we get 3 plus 4. X equals to 3 into 4 12 minus 4 into 2 8 divided by 3 plus 4 7. X equals to right 12 minus 8 4 by 7. That is your first. Next y equals to right a y2 plus b y1 divided by a plus b. Y equals to what is the value of a? 3 y2 3 b 4 and this y1 minus 5 divided by a plus b means 3 plus 4. Y equals to 3 into 3 9. Then this is your minus 20. 3 plus 4 7. Y equals to 20 minus 8 20 में से 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद में minus 11 by 7. Means this coordinate of this point A is x comma y. Then we get 4 by 7 minus 11 by 7. That is your answer. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको सेकंड क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन किया है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन में only change value of p and then change value of q and then change a is to b that is equals to 3 is to 4. That is your second problem. Okay. कुछ भी नहीं सेक्शन फार्मूला यूज करके इसके आंसर निकालना. नेक्स्ट इज दैट थर्ड is that P of coordinate 2 comma 6 and Q have coordinate minus 4 comma 1 A is to B, 1 is to 2. Okay, see here, this PR coordinate 2, 6, that is your x1, y1. QR coordinate -4, 1, that is your x2, y2. And A is to B, that is equal to 1 is to 2. By using section formula, x coordinate, we get instead of this m and l we write ax2 plus bx1 divided by a plus b. A, what is the value of a? 1. x2 minus 4, b 2, x1 2 divided by, we get 1 plus 2. Then 1 into minus 4 2 4, 1 plus 2 3. Then 0 divided by 3, that is equals to 0. X coordinate. Then we have to find y coordinate. Y equals to, we write a y2 b y1 divided by a plus b. Y equals to, what is the value of a? 1. y2 1, b 2, y1 6 divided by a plus b means we write 1 plus 2. Y equals to, we write 1 into 1 1, 2 into 6 12, 1 plus 2 3, 13 by 3 means the coordinate of this is 0, 13 by 3. Okay, yeah, the next question था इसमें in each of the following examples find the coordinate of the point A which divide the line segment PQ in the ratio A is to B. इसमें P का value is given, Q का value is given and A is to B is given. Then find this value. Next problem is that find the ratio in which the point T minus 1,6 divides the line segment joining the points PR coordinate -3, 0, 3, 10 and QR coordinate 6, -8 and which we have to find the ratio in which means, okay, see here. First find the ratio in which the point T divide the line segment joining this point. Okay, means if you join, this is your P point and this is your Q point and this T divide the line segment in the ratio ms to 1 -3 10 6 -8 x1 y1 x2 y2. Then we write x comma y. Okay, means that let this t divide the line segment PQ in the ratio ms to n. This t divide the line segment PQ in the ratio ms to n. This t divide the line segment PQ in the the ratio ms to n. Then what is the coordinate of this? By using section formula, we write x equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Then tell me that -1, 6. Okay. x1, y1, x2, y2, x. What is the value of x? This is your -1. What is the value of m? मालूम नहीं. What is the value of x2? 6. Plus. What is the value of n? मालूम नहीं. Next, what is the value of x1? -3 divided by m plus n. Okay. Then we get this is your -1 equals to 6 into m, 6m. Then -3m divided by m plus m. Then take cross multiplication, -1 into m plus m, that is equals to 6m minus 3. Then this minus m equals to 6m minus 3. Then यह minus n right hand side, minus m right hand side जाने के बाद में we get plus m, and minus 3 left hand side आने के बाद में, समझ में आया? -3 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आ चुका है, -m राइट हैंड साइड जा चुका है. 3m minus this is your 2m and 6m 7. Then you have to find m by n, means if you take this 2 is 7 multiplication, then I will divide. Then we get ms to n, that is equals to 2 is to 7. Means in this problem if you have to given this, how to find this value, and that value is 2 is to 7. आपका वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे? ms to n का 2 is to 7. Find the ratio in the point t, -1, 6 divide the line segment joining the point -3, 10, 6, -8, and let t, means this t, divide the line segment in the ratio ms to n. Then this is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then by using section formula we get that value to is to 7. Okay, आज यहाँ पे मैंने आपका सेक्शन फार्मूला स्टार्ट किया है, मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला स्टार्ट किया है, उसके बाद में सेंट्रॉइड फार्मूला स्टार्ट किया है. कुछ प्रॉब्लम लेके नेक्स्ट डेट में आपको जो आगे के प्रॉब्लम है आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. ओके.